Hi fantastic people, welcome back. Today I will be sharing of my own opinion of the Tesla Cybertruck, so let's get started. Inside the cabin you have ambient lighting welcoming you, and you also have a funky steering wheel. Over here there are some jagged sharp cup holders. You know, it gives me the sense that I'm in like a gaming cyberpunk kind of vibe. And you also have a larger screen display than your usual Tesla, like the Tesla Model Y. Tesla Model 3 has a shorter one, like a smaller one, than the one on the Tesla Cybertruck. So as we move towards the back, you'll notice that the boot is so huge. Like, oh my gosh, it is so big. You could actually fit like a dozen of large shopping bags in there or whatever. It can definitely fit a large table if you're carrying some kind of furniture back home or wherever. It is literally so huge. For the brutal and honest verdict, I'm gonna have to say it is actually just too big, and maybe that's why it's illegal here. And you know, it's actually very wide, and the British roads aren't actually that wide, so yeah, I don't really know the true reason why it's illegal here, but overall I will never buy it, and it doesn't suit me at all. So that's my final say. Well, away from that, I will now show you the light show feature from the Tesla Cybertruck. I may have shown this before, but here it is again. Anyways, thank you so much for watching and hearing my honest verdict. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this for more. See you in the next video. Also, what is your verdict of the Tesla Cybertruck? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.